Just stay there. Give me. Give me. Give me. Ay, ay, ay. Slowly. Fatimi, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to my live. Fatimi Kadni. La 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 la. I am Iranian. Oh, okay. You are Iranian. I am Filipina. I'm from Philippines. Give me my love. Give me. Welcome to my live. Where is your country? Philippines. I'm from Philippines. You catch it, my love. You catch it. Thank you for joining my live. Give me. Thank you. Come here, stay there. Here, my love. Here, come here. Satsi, here. Be. Here. You stay there. Just a moment. I must. There's leaves. Must cut the leaves of the tree. You have a beautiful dog. Thank you so much. Marunong din ako magsalita ng Filipino. Wow! Marunong ka palang magtagalog. Okay, catch it, Kiara. Wow, very good. You're doing fantastic, my love. That's good that you know how to speak Tagalog. Para hindi na ako mahirapan to speak in English. Do you take the camera near him? Come here, baby. Her name is Kiara, the Rottweiler dog. Hello, my name is Kiara. I am a Rottweiler. I'm very friendly, Roti. Yeah, she's very friendly.